button. F-R-O-G. Frog. Do you know? Frogs have to close their eyes to swallow their food, and they do not have rib cages. Frogs can jump 20 times higher than their body length. Some frogs can change their color, and frogs breathe through their skin, unlike many animals that breathe with their nose. Frogs are not found in Antarctica. Frogs live on every continent except Antarctica. Frogs have been there since the time of dinosaurs. Oh my God, so old frogs are. F-R-O-G.